A secure system, protected files, restricted access. Everything looks locked down, but one permission is slightly off. Just one. This is an ACL misconfiguration exploit. ACL means Access Control List. It decides who can access what. But if it's misconfigured, the wrong person gets access. Here's how it works. An attacker starts with basic access. Nothing special. They explore folders, files, permissions, until they find something they shouldn't control. Maybe a file they can edit, or a setting they can change. They tweak it, quietly. Now they grant themselves more access. Step by step, they climb higher. User, power user, admin. All because of one bad permission. Attackers love this, because it's subtle. No alarms, no brute force, just using what's already allowed. It happens in file systems, Active Directory, cloud storage, anywhere permissions define access. Here's how to stay safe. Regularly review and audit access permissions. Follow the principle of least privilege for all users. Monitor for unexpected permission changes, because sometimes the door wasn't hacked. It was left slightly open. Follow me before hackers follow you.